The following video features actions performed by AI bots in a professional environment. Nothing is to be taken seriously.
Alright guys, this is a random intro right now, but welcome back to a brand new video. Today, me and my girlfriend, we're gonna go to a car meet, right babe? We're gonna go to this car meet posted by a lot of random people. Not random, a lot of, I guess, YouTubers, people. It's called the Canteen, something like that. I'm not really sure. I didn't really do my research on it, but we're just gonna pull up, see what's up with all the cool cars. Hopefully there's some cool ass cars that I never see. And what are you expecting today, baby?
Well, the same. I hope to see something different, at least something really cool. Yeah.
Some west shit. We're just at the gas station right now. I put $40 in Pumpo. Let's go see. $40 on Pumpo. See what it did. I had like 70 miles left. So let's see how much I have now. With $40, I had 70 miles. Now I'm at 225 miles. So how many miles is that? Do the math. No, I'm just saying. And right now we're currently 13 minutes away from the meet. So let's see how it goes. Catch you guys up right now. Alright guys, so we just arrived to the car meet. I'm gonna pull up the picture right here on the screen and throw it up for the flyer and shit, so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. It's right here, the Canteen. So that's why it was called that, the Canteen, because I'm guessing it's the restaurant or something. It looks like, not really sure, but it's right there. We saw some pretty cool cars already. I got it on the Metas, that's why I'm wearing these. It was like a Lamborghini and a McLaren. It's pretty sick, not gonna lie. The McLaren did a pull. Well, there's 5-0 behind us. Pulling up. What do you think, babe? Are you excited? Are you nervous?
I'm nervous.
Why are you nervous?
I don't really like socializing.
You're antisocial?
Yeah. It's pretty easy.
My girlfriend's a little antisocial, but I'm trying to see some sick cars and get some good content for y'all. So let's see, man. Right, babe?
Yeah. Right.
Hey guys, we made it to the meet. This is the wettest shit I've seen so far at the meet. We got the C8 right here. The C8. These are both Corvette C8s. And then right here, the McLaren with the fucking GTA paint job. The Ferrari. The other McLaren over there. This is like the wettest shit I've seen so far at the meet. How about you? Me too. I like that pearlescent. Yeah. And then they got a Lambo, shit like that. It's cool, but this one so far has been my favorite as well. There was also a GTR. Oh shit, baby. There was also a GTR with carbon fiber fenders and carbon fiber hood. It looked like my Q50. So that was like an inspo. It's cool. What do you think so far, babe? This is mad, huh?
Cool, yeah. This is way too hard.
This paint's nice too. Look at the paint.
I kind of like the other one.
Yeah, the one looks crazy. Did we just look at everything already? Oh shit, let's go this way.
So you want to do chill around or?
Shall we try to get our car in here? They said we could get our car in here, guys, but
Whatever you want.
what do you think?
We could
I don't remember where we parked. That way? Let's go back to the car and see what's cracking.
I think we.
Because so far we looked at the whole meet and that was like the best thing we've seen.
I think we parked with the police truck or
Alright, let's go. We'll be back. We got the meat in the freezer, guys. So we have to go back home in a rush. And we're on a time crunch now, so we gotta go like fly, you know? Past lights and drive crazy. So we gotta record that. We have to. Because you forgot to take out the meat from the fridge. Oh shit, there's a crazy car ready. They said we could take the car inside. I lucky want to. But we are gonna go take out the beef in the fridge because I want to eat lamb and steak later, baby. We want to eat good. So right now we were just freaking in that parking spot trapped by cops. But you know the big dog Q50S gotta maneuver the way and get out of there. And I made them get out my way like a big dog. Now we're gonna go to get out of here because we have no papers and we don't want to get deported, man. We don't want to get in trouble because we have stuff in here, bro, that we cannot go to jail for. I will not go to jail over my stizzy, man. Alright guys, we just made it to our next destination. We're currently at, damn, the lighting's crazy, man. Oh, there we go. We're currently at Sam's Club, man. There we go.
Yeah, I feel like
what do we need?
Water. We need water.
You look so beautiful.
Thank you, baby.
Just gonna stop by for a little quick water trip. Yeah. But yeah, man, let's go to Sam's. Bang. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video, man. Brand new banger, man. Today we're gonna go to a car meet. Let me show you guys the flyer real quick, because why not? Let me show y'all. Don't try this at home. So we're gonna be attending this car meet right here. It's called Shift Theory, or that's the group, I don't really know. But Shift Theory presents car meet July 18th, which is today, 5:30 p.m., which it is currently 5:13 p.m. We're gonna arrive at exactly 5:30. Hopefully we're not too early. If we're too early, then we're just gonna chill, probably take some photos, and yeah, but we'll see how it goes. We'll keep y'all updated once we get there. All right.
See, my man left me. I might turn off his car, but I'm gonna roll up real quick. All these cars right here, or people might show up, but that's what's going on right now. And I'm thinking, I might have said that I'm thinking of turning off the car. I'm nervous. I don't know why. Like, I'm nervous, I guess, being here by myself, or maybe nervous to roll this hoe up by myself. My man taught me how to roll, but who knows if I still got it in me. I'll get back at you guys right now. Yeah, I already showed you guys the few cars that are here. We're not in a very great spot, so I wasn't really able to show you guys. No, it's alright. I'll probably get off or something. I'm gonna roll one, and he just came, so he's gonna roll another one, and let's see what blunt is better. He used to say I rolled good, so let's see now.
As you can see, my girlfriend's in there rolling up and shit. But these are the fucking cars, dog. This shit's fucking wet. We got a McLaren out there, dog. We got Mercedes right there. That looks like my Benz, but in gray. Right here, we got a 5.0. Got the homie's Camaro over there. A B50, I don't know, M550. Got a fucking truck, dog. So far, it's cool. Alright, guys, so we just made it to freaking Burger King. We got hungry and shit. We were at the meet, and it was pretty cool. It was a chill meet. The coolest car there was like a McLaren, not gonna lie. It was pretty wet. Me and my girl got hungry, so we're at Burger King, and we're trying to figure out how the hell where the drive-thru is.
Is there a drive-thru?
Shit, man. Yeah, it has to be. Right?
I have no clue. This is like a gas station too, so I don't even know. Is that the drive-thru? Oh, what the hell?
Is it?
It's like from another way though, right?
From this trippy BK? What the hell? How do you enter through there?
Damn. Just do a whole circle again.
I can go there. Bang. Right. And then. Bang. And then. We're here again. So the drive-thru's right here. Bad. We here, chat. We
you know what I want, right?
What? A double cheeseburger combo?
Yeah. Large, please.
Hello.
We'll be back.
Oh shit, Brody. It's about to go down, Brody. Let's see what's going on. Can't see shit from this angle. Or from this angle, maybe. I need to be more this way. No cap, Brody. BMW took it. Pack. Oh wait, I don't know. Yeah, BMW.
You ready after this one? Yeah. Do we want you? I have a race. Or you just. shit. Common traffic coming.
because common traffic came tripping.